In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts in Canva. This is really useful if you have a specific font you love, or if you're working with a brand that has its own custom typeface and you want all your designs to look consistent. First, open Canva and select a design to work with. This can be any design at all: a social media post, a presentation, a flyer, or even a blank canvas. The important thing is that you're inside the Canva editor, where you can see your page or pages in the center of the screen. If you don't already have a design started, just create a new one using any size or template, since we're only using it to access the font options. Next, click on any text in your design. If there isn't any text yet, add a text box from the left-hand menu so you can see the font settings. Once you have a text box selected, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see the current font name displayed there, usually with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on the font name. This will open Canva's font menu, where you normally choose from the available fonts. Now, start scrolling down through that font menu. Keep going until you reach the section that allows you to upload your own fonts. You should see an option labeled Upload Font. Click on that. If you're using a free Canva account, remember that custom font uploads may only be available with certain plan types. So if you don't see the option, that might be why. Once you click on Upload Font, a file browser window will pop up from your computer. Here, you'll need to choose the font file you want to upload. Common font file types include OTF, TTF, and WOEF. Make sure you've already downloaded the font from a trusted source and that you have the proper license to use it, especially for commercial projects. Navigate to the folder where your font is saved, click on the font file you want, and then click Select or Open, depending on your operating system. Canva will begin uploading the font, and you may see a quick confirmation message. After the upload is finished, your new font will appear in your font list, usually in a section with your uploaded or brand fonts. From now on, you can simply select your text, open the font menu, and choose your newly uploaded font just like any other, and use it across all your Canva designs.